This is Greg Mikulowski and this is a Forex Quick for the US dollar versus Swiss franc, brought to you by FXDD. Take a look at the 5-minute chart here in the dollar versus Swiss. You take the high from Friday to the low that we saw here on the gap and opening here today. 38.2% retracement of that move comes in at the 106.13 level. Look at the number of different highs that we had at that level. 1, 2, 3 different highs at that level. It was a nice ceiling for the currency pair. That's going to be a key level in order for the market to get through on the top side. If it gets through, then we have a chance to get up to it. The 106.42 level. Also up here is the gap really that comes down from the 106.55 level that will need to be filled in, or that the market will be looking to fill in. But right now, the bias has to remain to the downside. Why? Because we're below both this 100 and 200 bar moving average here. That's the blue line, the green line in these charts. Those levels come in. The green line currently comes in at around the 105.82. The blue line, the 100 bar moving average, which is our trigger, comes in at 105.93. Stay below 105.93, and the bias is to the downside, currently trading at 105.73 at the moment. Where can we go on the downside? Well, we do have support down here at this. Looks like around the that's like the 49.51 level. That was these double lows here that we saw here on the dollar versus Swiss. Let's go to the daily chart. This morning we did break below this trend line. This trend line had a number of different points along it. 1, 2, 3 we checked that level the other day and we broke through it here today. What level does that level come in? This trend line comes in at the 105.52 level, so look for support down at 105.52 for the dollar versus Swiss. If we're able to hold that level, and we should go higher. Note that also that when the market did break through this level, we did find support at 38.2% retracement at 105.22 level. That was a good bounce off of that level and may suggest that we should see buyers on dip. So look for buyers against this old trend line. This trend line again comes in at 105.52. The support comes in at 105.22 on the downside, and on the shorter term chart, we got to get above the 105.93 level. That's the blue line in this chart in order to see further pressure, upside pressure to the 106.13 level where we have the triple top. Greg Mikulowski for FXD.